Mallards and geese are the most common species of aquatic birds at the Padule. They are all migratory birds and pass in the marshes the breeding period. The most common, most widespread and adaptable wild duck in Europe. The nuptial dress of the adult male is absolutely unmistakable. The female can be recognized by her blue-violet wing speculum and large size. The mallard frequents various types of inland and coastal wetland habitats. It nests in areas well covered with grasses or shrubs, usually just a short distance from the water. Its diet is very varied, like its techniques for looking for food. It feeds where the water level does not exceed 30 centimeters. It only submerges its neck or the front part of its body. Species of ducks which feed like this are called dabbling ducks, whilst the others that submerge completely are called diving ducks. A major target for hunters, the mallard does not overwinter in northern Tuscany, except for a few individuals in the inland protected areas, because the surface area is insufficient to offer the species its minimum requirement for tranquility, as it is sensitive to human disturbance. The smallest dabbling duck in Europe, typically squat-shaped, underlined by its short neck. Like all ducks, the teal is territorial during the breeding season, but very gregarious otherwise. Despite of its short wings, ducks are excellent flyers. The agility with which the teal manages to take off almost vertically in flight from the water is amazing, and the speed and synchrony with which flocks of teal turn and veer in the air is extraordinary. The teal mainly feeds at night, filtering the water with its bill, which is equipped with fine blades. It retains smaller sized plant material and animals than the other ducks do. In Italy, the teal is mainly migratory and overwintering. Many other ducks are present in the Fucecchio marshes. The northern shoveler, the region, the northern pintail, the toffetto. Domesticated since ancient times, before any other birds, this is the largest goose which can be seen in the wild in Italy. Incredibly beautiful bird, with grey-brown upper parts and features finely edged with white, pale belly, pink bill and legs. It prefers freshwater wetlands, not too deep, and tending to be eutrophic. Outside the breeding season, it is very gregarious and assiduously frequents fields and meadows with cereal stubble. The species is rather sensitive to human disturbance. The Greyleg goose can fly long distances at remarkable elevation and high speed.